Good morning, you are listening Shalini Singh, your news anchor from Lavara Media. Here we brings you latest updated news of 22 June from around the world. Indian Embassy in Pakistan celebrates 6th International Yoga Day. The Indian Embassy in Pakistan celebrated the 6th International Yoga Day while maintaining social distancing and other safety norms in view of COVID-19 pandemic. Yoga practitioners have less chances of getting COVID-19, said Ayush Minister Shripad Naik. Yoga practitioners have less chances of getting infected by coronavirus, Union Ayush Minister Shripad Naik said on Sunday. Talking to PTI on the occasion of International Day of Yoga, Naik also said the propagation of yoga across the country and the world during Narendra Modi-led regime has helped in the fight against COVID-19. Buy toilets and oxygen cylinders for COVID coaches, but railways would wonder how to beat the heat. Centre find gap in implementation of rural drinking water plan in Maharashtra, West Bengal and Odisha, asks CM to step up their efforts. As part of its attempt to sensitize state towards implementing its flagship scheme of providing tap connection for drinking water to all rural households in the country by 2024. The centre has asked Maharashtra, West Bengal and Odisha to step up their efforts in the campaign more to achieve the goal of Har Ghar Jal. SC to hear petition on June 22 seeking modification of its stay order on Rath Yatra in Odisha. The Supreme Court will hear tomorrow 4 petitions seeking modification on its earlier order of June 18, which had stayed the Rath Yatra in Puri and all other places in Odisha, keeping in view the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. The Supreme Court's single-judge bench comprising Justice S. Praveen Bhatt will hear the matter in chamber hearing at 11 a.m. tomorrow. US talking to India and China will try and help them out, said Trump. The United States in talking both India and China to help them resolve their ongoing border tensions, President Donald Trump said on Saturday. It's a very tough situation. We were talking to India, we were talking to China. They have got a big problem there, Trump told reporters at the White House before boarding Marine First on his way to his first post-COVID-19 election rally in Olakh. How Bihar Regiment soldiers removed Chinese observation post from PP-14 in Galwan Valley. On the evening of June 15, the Indian 3 Infantry Division commander with other senior officer was at an Indian post near the Vaisyok junction of Shayak and Galwan River in the eastern Ladakh sector as talks were to be held between the two countries. The Indian security forces, including the 16th Bihar Regiment, were asked to ensure that the post was removed by the Chinese, after which a small patrol was sent to convey the message, sources told ANI. 3 terrorists killed by security forces in J&K's Srinagar. 3 terrorists were killed in an operation by security forces in the Jadibal area of Srinagar on Sunday. Jadibal encountered 3rd terrorist killed. Search operation going on. Further details shall follow. A tweet by Kashmir Zone Police. Armed forces told to forcefully deal with Chinese aggression along LAC. The armed force deployed along the 3,500 km de facto border with China have been giving full freedom in giving befitting reply to any Chinese aggressive behavior. Government sources said after Defense Minister Rajnath Singh held a high-level meeting with top military brass on the situation in eastern Ladakh. I, Shalini Singh, will come with you tomorrow with latest updated news. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.